Okay, here we are at the second unit, and see, you get covered parking, and these are all brand new, and ours is on the first floor, so we have the first floor for each unit. Now, because these are a little bit smaller, these are called the terraces, and the in units have 3 floors. The interior units have 4 floors. So we're on the first floor, which we're totally good with. Oh, it does come with a storage closet. So we do get this outdoor storage closet. Most of the people that rent here are 55 plus and retired. So we are totally, now there is an elevator for this place because there's 4 floors. There is an elevator. The one with 2 floors just has stairs. Okay, here's what it looks like. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath, completely vacant. This is the terrace. And let's go over here. So immediately to your left is the master. And we're gonna be putting up ceiling fans with lights because there's no lights in here and we don't want lamps. So we're gonna be putting in ceiling fans. Here's, you get double closet. And then they have a cute little pocket door. Of course, you got the single vanity in here, got the nice glass shower surround, and you walk over here, and this is a hallway for the guest bathroom that has a tub, good for families. This is a small guest room, but see, the ceilings are super high. I think they're 9 foot 4 inches. This is just to HVAC and water heater. All the units come with washer and dryer. And you got this beautiful tile flooring, this beautiful island granite countertops. This can fit 3 benches, maybe 4, depending on the size. The other building that's bigger fits 4 for sure. So this is the living room area. There's the backyard, goes out to a screened-in lanai. You can see a view of the lake. There's the lake. This is all the golf course, so there's a pavement area there, a sidewalk area there. Here's the dining room with the bay window, so you can put the table and everything here. We are getting handles on all the cabinets, so you just have to finish that. It comes with all the appliances, 4-piece stainless steel. Love this cabinetry. Came with all the blinds. Comes with Wi-Fi, a Ring doorbell, everything. Smoke detectors, of course. So that's what it looks like. So let's go out here real quick. So it comes with all this landscaping. Of course, lots of palm trees. So if you walk out, we're just a few steps from one of the holes on the golf course. And that's the one that they're building next, under construction. Over here, we're just gonna keep walking. It's an 18 course golf course. It's really well done. So you can see where all the little sand pits are for golfing. We can walk on it real quick. This grass is really nice. So we've got all these little sloped areas in the grass to make it a little bit harder for the golfers. But look at that lake. Look at the lake. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? What a fun view while golfing. I love it. And you can look over there. You can see that tower. It lights up at night. And then just a little bit further down is Founders Square, where the restaurants and stores are. Isn't this so fun? So there's the back of our unit. All right, so all the furniture has been ordered. It'll be here in a week. We'll come back down here in 2 weeks and furnish it, and we'll get professional photos done from our property manager. He already has it rented out, this unit for January and February, and our other unit for January, February, and March. Things you need for the kitchen in an Airbnb. Rice cooker, 8 salt and pepper, 9 pizza cutter, 10 scissors, 11 lots of towels, 13 cookie sheets, 15 glasses, 16 magic bullet, 17 plates, 18 pots and pans. Kitchen appliances, part 2. This is what you need for a short-term rental or for your Airbnb. You got to make sure your kitchen is stocked with lots of things that they can use, just like if they were at their own house. So we have the silverware. Make sure you get some good casserole dishes with lids. A pizza pan. Lots of Tupperwares. Also going to need some mixing bowls. We always like to get a hand can opener also in case the electric one doesn't work. Make sure you have some cute oven mitts. I like these little ones because the big ones don't always fit everybody. Make sure you get a good quality of pots and pans with lids. Your measuring cup. Some type of steamer and also cauldron or strainer, I should say. More pots and pans. You're going to need a drawer organizer for the utensils. This one's expandable. Got this cute little fruit basket that matches all of the copper pots and pans. We decided to do 2 types of dishes. We got these plastic ones, and then we also have white ceramic. We got another oven mitt and pot holder set and some more towels. Little soap dispenser for the kitchen sink for your hands. And we also got this 6-in-1 air fryer. So we thought that would be cool if they wanted to air fry something. This can do a lot of stuff. It's an air fryer, a dehydrator, it can broil food, bake, roast, and reheat. All right, so that's part 2. I think we have everything now for the kitchen, and we're just gonna go ahead and keep unboxing it, unwrapping it, and put it all away.